You know, I tried for a week to come up with a bullshit reason to justify why I strapped 2 tasers to a chair, but like an orphan when asked where their parents were, I got nothing. The best I came up with was to make public executions more accessible because, you know, tasers, electric chair, My second best was Disability Simulator, which I didn't think was gonna fly on YouTube. So I'll keep it straight with you. I had a couple tasers, I had a chair, I had a shitload of free time, and a couple months later, a bad idea was born. Now originally, this was supposed to be a simple project. You know, I just wanted a chair that could detect when someone's sitting on it and tase them. So I added some weight sensors to the chair to detect when someone's sitting on it, including some electronics, some code, strapped a couple of tasers to it. And bada bing, bada boom, a taser chair. And at this point, the chair was good. I could have just been like, hey guys, look at this, look at a taser chair, haha funny, invited some friends over, kidnapped and held their families hostage until they sat on the chair for content, make a few jokes and call it a day. I could have, but I'm brain damaged. You know that thing that artists do sometimes when they just keep adding more and more things to an art piece that was already good and just ends up making it worse? Well, that's kind of what I did with the chair, except it was never good to begin with. And it just kept on getting worse. Look at this beautiful taser chair. It works perfectly and it's stupid and I hate it. Let's just throw in some random electronics and a fucking pneumatics too while we're at it, why not? And now it has piston legs and crawl around like a fucking crippled animatronic from a horror game. But just having it move around randomly is boring, so I guess I have to add a few more microcontrollers and just a few hundred more lines of code. And now you can do facial recognition and track you wherever you go. And you know what, while we're at it, let's give it some personality. Let's give it a voice. Because we live in America. And America is a free country with freedom of speech and oh, it's racist.
Rice farmer detected.
Now that I've finished building my taser chair, I kind of want to, you know, test it on something. Someone. Sorry, I didn't mean to objectify people. I would never objectify people. Unless those people are women. So I'm gonna see if I can convince some of my friends to enjoy the absolutely wonderful creation that is my taser chair. Because what kind of man would I be if I hog this wonderful creation all to myself? After all, sharing is caring, and I care about watching my friends suffer. Meet Alex, Asher, and Nathaniel. They're my good friends who have all graciously agreed to help me test on my taser chair. And by agreed, I mean that I had somehow gaslighted them into thinking that getting tased was a good idea.
Okay, so have you tested the chair?
Test is a strong word.
Why does it have piston legs?
Why not?
Oh, it's supposed to come towards you?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's trying to come to you.
Oh, it's trying to come to you. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so
scary. If you stand in the middle enough.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
I just stand in my back for a second. Yeah, oh wait, hold on. Let's turn the tasers on.
Alright.
Yeah. Perfect, look at that.
Oh shit, somebody stop him! He's still trying to piss him!
Oh god. It's a great home defense system.
It is true.
Yeah. Oh, I turned the tasers off, so it's nice. Now you might have noticed that my friends kept evading attacks from my taser chair. Somehow. Don't know how, that thing's practically moving like Lightning McQueen on crack. But that's not very cool. I need them to sit on the chair so I can for research purposes. So of course, I did what any sane person would do in this situation. I loaded my horse tranquilizer rifle with a dose of xylazine and fentanyl high enough to sedate your mother, and I injected it straight into their ass.
The neurotransmitters in my brain are shooting fear response.
Now I know what you're thinking. Hey Ethan, you dumb bitch. You said that this chair was gonna electrocute whoever sits on it. So why isn't your friend hitting them fucking MJ toe stands from the voltages right now? As it turns out, it's because I don't really actually know either. Look, I'm fucking stupid, okay? I don't know electrical engineering. I tried reading some electrical engineering stuff the other day and it felt like I was trying to read fucking caveman drawings. The best explanation that my ooga booga caveman brain could come up with was because electricity is lazy and leg hard to go through. But conductive tape, easy to go through. So electricity goes through conductive tape and not leg. But I don't know for sure. What I do know is that somebody is still gonna get tased. I'm like Epstein and these are my victims. You think I would ever let them walk away unscathed? If I can't tase them using a taser chair, I will just have to tase them using a taser.
Oh, gotta turn it back on.
I'm just gonna do a quick one and I'm gonna let go, okay? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's fine.
Holy oh, my whole arm started twitching.
Wait.
Oh, there's nothing. That's crazy.
Wait, does that hurt?
Yes.
I want to try it now. Oh, I don't really want to try it, but I want to try it now. Do me. Do my like leg or something. Here. Oh,
it's only for a single instant. It's only for a single instant.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Wait, do it again. That's... oh, fuck. Alright, 3, 2, 1. You okay?
Yes.
It's actually kind of fucking fun, I'm not gonna lie.
It's good. 10 out of 10 experience.
10 out of 10,
Would
yeah.
do again.
You guys want to get a taste?
No.
Are you serious?
That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you're a sociopath and enjoyed watching my friends and I get tased. Dislike it if you are racist and hate Asian people, I guess. If you want to see more stupid shit like this, I am currently working on another robot that is equally, if not even dumber than this one, because I'm bored. So if you want to see that video in like 4 months, consider subscribing. All right, cool. I'm gonna go bomb an abortion clinic now. I don't fucking... Oh, that shit slaps. What the fuck? Oh, this shit slaps hard. Harder than when my dad beat me as a kid.